Hey guys, what's up? It's Dusty here, back with another crypto video, and today we're going to be talking about Electroneum ETN, and make sure you press that like button right now, because if we can hit 250 likes on this video within 24 hours, we are giving away $50 worth of Electroneum. All that you have to do is press the like button on this video, comment something down below, and check out the Discord. That is it. So guys, for ETN, there's actually been quite a lot of news within the last couple of days. It's really been on the low for however many months it has been, really long time, but now within the last couple of days, it's been extremely popular. I've seen tons of articles pop up, and on Twitter, they're active as ever. So an article that came about was Electroneum Price Analysis July 10th, Intraday Downward Trend Hurts ETN. Electroneum's current market prices are scaring investors from diving in the pool, but if the management continues with their great marketing strategies, ETN's fortunes might change soon. And this is actually written for multiple reasons. That is one, since the prices have been low for quite a long time, but that all changed a couple of days ago. And two, diving in the pool is actually a lot more literal than you might think. So ETN, as I said before, has been really active on Twitter. For example, here a video from Electroneum to Twitter says, 51% attack, scary, right? This week we launched a major upgrade that sets a new standard in security. Find out why ETN is no longer susceptible to a 51% attack. And here's a video from Richard Els, the CEO at Electroneum, and let's quickly watch that.
Okay, so you may have heard of something called a 51% attack in the cryptocurrency world. It's a very scary thing for any blockchain project. It's a very real threat. There was a 51% attack on Ethereum Classic at the beginning of this year. We have now eliminated all chance of a 51% attack on the Electroneum network. It's a massive step forward for many different things. But if you want to have a look at how real they are, go and look at crypto51.app. It lists loads and loads of cryptocurrency projects that you'll be very familiar with and how easy they are to 51% attack. Electroneum may be on there still for a few days, but soon it will be gone because we are no longer susceptible to a 51% attack.
So bad part is they don't actually give you any info. Good part is they're not susceptible to it anymore. And I guess in this 17-minute video, you can find out more about that. Not actually going to check into the whole video with you guys here. It's a pretty interesting thing to watch though. As part of our ongoing game-changing efforts, we are excited to announced about the successful completion of the launch of our transformational and unprecedented software update. It is aimed at unlocking awesome new opportunities that will help us improve the lives of many. So here's the blockchain upgrade breakdown. 51% attack, what is hashing power, block reward reduction, proof of responsibility, moderated blockchain, how many miners there are, which NGOs are mining, and for a written overview of the update, check out here. So we're going to the Community Electroneum page, and you can check out most of the things yourself. If you do not want a video to watch for 17 minutes, you can actually quickly read through it here on the community website. Hi everyone, super exciting news. We've just undertaken a successful fork to an improved blockchain model that we've developed called the Proof of Responsibility. This model brings a new level of confidence, security, and scalability required to achieve mass adoption. We've developed our blockchain to become one of the few cryptocurrencies that is insusceptible to 51% attack, reduce our block reward new coin emission by 75%, increase scalability, confidence, and commercial viability, speed up on-chain transactions, and involve relevant and influential NGOs in the Electroneum project. Important, if you're on a full node, i.e. if you're a technical user or an exchange, you need to ensure you download the latest software update, of course. Here is more about proof of responsibility, more about 75% block reward reduction, moderate blockchain, some other cool things you can watch, but I think this is about it that I need to let you guys know for now. If you are interested in more, make sure you watch the next ETN video that is going to be coming up, because we'll dive deeper into what this update entailed, what it has really done under the surface, and why it is so amazing. But right now, I think it's really important that I give you guys a quick update to tell you guys that ETN is really quite alive right now. They're putting in a lot of effort, and I'm really happy to see. Electroneum major upgrade makes ETN the world's most secure, decentralized, and eco-friendly crypto, and reduces block rewards. Again, same story, same info, but a lot of info is actually being told. Electroneum price analysis. Electroneum embarks bearish trend in the intraday movement. So I actually don't think we should add too much value or attach too much value to articles like these. Whenever they're talking about the price going down at a steady pace or things like that, I just do not like it. I just do not like when they report on the price going down because it does not add anything worth of value, and it's just something negative that I have to read through that I, as I said before, dislike. Electroneum price analysis, July 10th. Intraday downward trends hurt ETN. Same stuff. Electroneum's current market prices are scaring investors from diving in the pool, but if the management continues with their great marketing strategies, ETN's fortunes might change soon. Oh, it's the same one that we just read. I was like, huh? Why is it so familiar? Electroneum price analysis, Electroneum price escalation to book newest market. Newest price marks. Pretty depressing, all this. Even though this article is pretty positive, since this was written on the 8th or 9th of July here, when the prices were doing extremely good and people were expecting very good things for ETN as well. You can see that they actually gave it a negative twist, and their general idea is also negative for the price, I find, and most of these articles are, which is why I skip through them as quickly as I can. I just want to show you guys that there's a lot more articles about ETN now than there have ever been before, since normally I'm not even able to show you guys like 10 articles every week. I'm only able to show you like 3. That's crazy to me. Electroneum ETN hits an epic partnership with Paycent app. Paycent's partnership with Electroneum is obviously a big hit for the crypto firm, and it seems that the ETN has already been added to the Paycent app. So, yesterday, July 8th, the Reddit thread of Electroneum cryptocurrency revealed that ETN crypto had been added to the Paycent app upon the completion of integration. Paycent adds Electroneum. It was first revealed when the media betcredit.org shared a post of Paycent's new update entitled Paycent allows users to convert digital assets to local currencies, transfer funds, and withdraw cash from ATMs. And as reports came out, yada yada yada, people started to understand, of course, what this was all about. And it's pretty cool, pretty amazing. Nevertheless, the announcement states that Paycent is partnering with ETN later this summer, and according to the company's director of card program and partnership, Alex Agarwal, they, Electroneum, have a massive community of 3 million people globally, and they are aligned with what we do because they serve the unbanked. On the continuous note, he wrote, we're seeing a lot of positive movement. It's definitely going to catch on. Irrespective of the prices, it doesn't matter if crypto goes up or down. It's all about the adoption of the system itself. And again, I'm pretty excited for everything that they've got to bring. Here you can see the Paycent app with all of these coins, Litecoin, Steam, Electroneum, Digibyte, Crystal Coin, whatever that is, and BTC in there. It's going to be amazing, guys. I'm really excited for all of this. Finally, some movement. Finally! So here by Trevor Holman, Electroneum price analysis, ETN surging upward from the past 2 days. Adding no value, except for this article at the beginning. Blockchain under maintenance will keep you updated. This was actually a post on Twitter by Electroneum on July 6th, which said, our blockchain update is well underway and is progressing well. The benefits of the improvements will be ready as planned, and our services will be up and running by 5 p.m. BST this Monday. For more information, click right there. And it's, again, good, because a lot of people were wondering what's going on with ETN, why are there no miners, and all of those questions are now finally answered because we're having some crazy update and the blockchain was under maintenance. Electroneum price analysis, ETN shows stability with a pinch of volatility. Are you guys seeing a trend as well? This crypto news website only has price analysis on ETN, and they give exactly no value. They just give you exactly where the price is at right now with no forecast, no real analysis done either. It's too basic to actually be of any use whatsoever, and it's just demotivating or demoralizing, I find. Electronic price analysis, ETN must address the liquidities to surge in the right direction. This one was a little bit interesting because of the title, but again, no value. Addressing the liquidity is a major concern as of now for Electroneum. Along with the same, it is vital for the community to get more exchanges on board. Till then, their great concept might not realize into a successful reality, and this might be one of the major reasons for the valuation fluctuating below the baseline mostly. Yes, moving forward though, as I just want to keep the pace in here and give you guys a quick little update so we can move on with your day. Make sure you press the like button on this video though if you're enjoying this and if you learned something new. Electroneum executes secret hard fork, replaces miners with charities and NGOs, actually getting rid of this whole ecosystem and changing it to something really amazing and neat for actually a 75% reduction. Over the weekend, UK-based blockchain platform Electroneum initiated a secret hard fork, well, at least it was unknown to people that this was going on, replacing its proof-of-work consensus protocol with non-profit miners comprised of charities and non-governmental organizations. Read the full article here. You can do so. It's also on the decrypt.co. It's about the Electroneum switching over to NGOs. The blockchain platform has boosted its security with a new proof of responsibility protocol inspired by Facebook's Libra. Pretty cool article here as well. I recommend it if you are interested in more info. Electroneum price analysis, ETN surges in the positive direction with a lot of positive movements in price, a lot of positive moves in the community. I'm extremely happy for ETN. But guys, hopefully I can do another update on ETN tomorrow. I'll be posting a lot more content now that we know that they're on the right track again. Hopefully a lot of you guys are back on board now with some more faith into it. I'm hoping. But let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this big update. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Do you think ETN is dead? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody. Have a nice day and enjoy your day, I guess. Stay healthy, stay investing.